How you doing, everyone? Mike for LovejoyAntiques.com, taking a look at a antique Patek Philippe 18 karat pocket watch. We do have the archive papers from Patek, which date the pocket watch to 1853, and the date of sale was April 30th, 1855. The front of the case is engraved on an enamel background, which you can see from the video and the photos has some wear to it. However, the back of the case, impressively enough, has a painting depicting a concert of cats. Case number is 7730. It's a hunter case, full hunter case. Again, an 18 karat solid yellow gold. Movement number 7.730. There's a 14 line cylinder escapement, 8 jewel, stem wind, has a beautiful white enamel dial. Watch is running well and keeping time. If you have any questions on this particular watch, feel free to give us a call at 239-649-7447. And if you have a watch like this and you need a free evaluation, feel free to contact us at lovejoy-antiques.com, or again, give us a call Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.